Hello and welcome to Easy English Practice. My name is Kevin.
And I'm Monica. We are so happy you are here to learn with us today.
Today we have a very important topic. We are going to talk about visiting the doctor.
That's right. Going to the doctor can be stressful, especially in a different language. But don't worry, we are here to help.
We will teach you simple, useful phrases. We will speak slowly and clearly. Our goal is to make you feel confident.
Exactly. So relax, listen, and let's get started with our dialogue.
Good morning, City Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello, I would like to make an appointment to see a doctor.
Of course. What is your name?
My name is Anna Smith.
Okay, Anna. And what is the reason for your visit?
I don't feel well. I have a sore throat and a headache.
I see. We have an opening today at 3 p.m. with Dr. James. Is that okay?
Yes, 3 p.m. is perfect. Thank you.
Hello, Anna. I'm Dr. James. Please, come in and have a seat. What seems to be the problem?
Hi, doctor. I don't feel well. I have a really bad sore throat.
I see. How long have you had this sore throat?
For about 3 days now.
Do you have any other symptoms? For example, a fever or a cough?
Yes, I have a headache and I feel very tired. I think I have a small fever.
Okay, let me check. Can you open your mouth and say, ah? Yes, your throat looks very red. And let me take your temperature. Yes, you have a slight fever.
Is it serious?
I don't think so. It looks like a common cold. I will give you a prescription for some medicine. It will help with the sore throat.
Okay, thank you.
Before I prescribe anything, are you allergic to any medication? You should also get a lot of rest and drink plenty of water. Take this medicine twice a day after you eat, once in the morning and once in the evening.
Twice a day, I understand. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. If you don't feel better in a few days, please come back.
That was a great dialogue, Kevin. Now let's look at some of the important words and phrases.
Let's do it. The first one is very common. I don't feel well.
This is a simple way to say you are sick. You can use it in many situations. For example, you can say to your boss, "I'm sorry, I can't come to work today. I don't feel well."
Perfect. Next, let's talk about symptoms. In the dialogue, Anna said, I have a sore throat and a headache.
Right. Sore throat is when your throat hurts, especially when you swallow. A headache is a pain in your head. Another common symptom is a fever, which means your body temperature is high.
Let's give an example. I have a fever, so I'm staying in bed today.
Good one. Next phrase, how long have you had this?
The doctor asks this question to understand when your sickness started. It means, when did you start feeling this way?
For example, if your friend says, "I have a bad cough," you can ask, "Oh no, how long have you had this?"
Excellent. Another important phrase is, do you have any other symptoms?
Right. A symptom is a sign of an illness, like a cough or a fever. The doctor asks this to get more information. Other symptoms means more signs of sickness.
An example sentence could be, the doctor asked if I had other symptoms, like a runny nose.
Perfect. Lastly, let's look at the doctor's advice. Take this medicine twice a day.
This is an instruction. Twice a day means 2 times in one day. The doctor might also say once a day for 1 time, or 3 times a day.
Right. So, for example, the bottle says to take the pills twice a day with food.
Great job. Those are some very useful phrases for your next doctor's visit.
Now it's time for a little grammar. Today, we will look at the present simple versus the present continuous when talking about symptoms.
This can be tricky, but we'll make it easy.
Yes, so we usually use the present simple for general feelings or states that are often true. For example, I have a headache. This is a simple statement of fact.
Right? It describes the symptom directly. Another example is, my throat hurts.
Exactly. Now, we can use the present continuous to emphasize that a symptom is happening right now or is a recent change. It can make the feeling sound a little stronger or more immediate.
So, instead of I feel dizzy, you could say, I'm feeling dizzy today. This focuses on the feeling at this moment.
Perfect example, Kevin. Let's compare. I have a cold. This is present simple. It's a general fact about my condition.
And I am coughing a lot. This is present continuous. It describes an action that is happening right now, repeatedly.
That's a great distinction. With verbs like feel and hurt, you can often use both. For example, my stomach hurts and my stomach is hurting are very similar.
But saying my stomach is hurting might suggest the pain just started or is happening as I speak.
Exactly. So, a quick review. Use present simple for general facts, like I have a fever. Use present continuous to talk about something happening right now, like my head is spinning.
Simple and clear. Great explanation, Monica. Okay, now it's your turn to practice. I will say a sentence and you repeat it in the pause. Then Monica will say it again so you can check your pronunciation.
Are you ready? Let's begin.
Number 1. I would like to make an appointment.
I would like to make an appointment.
Number 2. I don't feel well.
I don't feel well.
Number 3. I have a sore throat and a headache.
I have a sore throat and a headache.
Number 4. How long have you had these symptoms?
How long have you had these symptoms?
Number 5. Do you have a fever?
Do you have a fever?
Number 6. Take this medicine twice a day.
Take this medicine twice a day.
Number 7. You should get a lot of rest.
You should get a lot of rest. Wonderful job, everyone! And now for our final practice, a mini speaking challenge. This is for you to speak out loud. Don't be shy.
That's right. Imagine you are at the doctor's office. I am the doctor. I will ask you 3 questions. Please answer them out loud. Ready? Question 1. Hello, what symptoms do you have? Okay, question 2. How long have you had them? And question 3. What does the doctor say you should do?
Great work! Speaking is the best way to improve. Even if you only said a few words, that is fantastic progress.
And that is all the time we have for today. You did an amazing job.
Yes, you did. Remember, practice is key. Try to use 1 or 2 of these phrases this week. You can even practice with a friend.
We hope you feel more prepared for a visit to the doctor. It's a very practical and important skill.
Thank you so much for listening to Easy English Practice. Join us next time when we will visit the pharmacy.
Until then, keep practicing and stay healthy. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.